Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Black Nomad Diaries. If you are new here, hello. My name is Matthew. I am a digital nomad who travels full-time out of his fully RV converted Mercedes Sprinter van. Whoa. So, today is a day of days. We are getting back on the road. We are making our way to Arkansas, however you say it. I say Arkansas when I'm alone. But yeah, that's where we're headed. But today is gonna be just driving. We're gonna see where we're at after 5 hours of driving. We should be in Mississippi, and Mississippi is right next to Arkansas, however you say it. So yeah, once we get to Mississippi, we'll have to decide. I'll decide what I do next after that. But right now, I need to go to Wally World and pick up some groceries for the week. Because the plan is to go out and not come back for a little while. So yeah, the adventures are continuing. Please say a prayer for me, because this van, you know, I call her Glitch for a reason, okay? So yeah, pray for me when you see this video. Pray that I'm not broke down on the side of the road somewhere for some reason. All right, let's get to it. Hey you guys, all right, so we have made it to Mississippi. Right now it's 5 o'clock Mississippi time and 6 o'clock Georgia time. I know, I went through a time portal somewhere and wound it up 1 hour in the past. It's weird. Originally, well, this is the second time I'm stopping today. I stopped at like 12:30 to feed the cats, and now I'm stopping here at 5 o'clock to also feed the cats and to feed myself. But we're in Mississippi now, and originally I was planning to stop here, and if there was still daylight, I would try and drive the rest of the way to Arkansas, but that's like 5 more hours. So instead, after I eat, after the cats eat, we are going to drive an hour to a Love's, and we're going to park there for the night. Oh, I didn't mind the driving. I was happy to be back on the open road. It's this part, the in-between, when you're trying to get someplace and you got to find someplace where you can legally park overnight. Right now I'm at a rest area, but I highly doubt I can stay here overnight. Plus, there's also another van here, which is totally fine. But if they're going to stay, I don't want to stay and draw too much attention to both of us. So, yeah. After I eat, the cats have already eaten, or they've pushed around their food. The last time I stopped, Domino decided to throw up after he ate because he was being greedy. He ate all his food, then he tried to eat his sister's food. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Do not throw up in here again. Jesus. But yeah, I'm gonna eat. They're eating. We're gonna relax for a little bit. I'm gonna watch some anime. Yes. And probably play some video games. And then we're going to head to the Loves for the night. And that's where we will stay the night and chill. So that way, yeah, I can get up in the morning and drive the remaining 5 hours to Arkansas, however you say it. But yeah, I'm gonna eat. I'm starving like Marvin. I will see you guys on the road. Hey, so we are at a Love's for the night. We're gonna see if we can park here and stay overnight. I'm exhausted. I have been up since 6:30 this morning, and I've been driving since 9:30. Yay. So yeah, I'm calling it a night right here now, you guys. I will see y'all in the morning on the road. Good night. Good morning, you guys. So, last night sucked. I have not missed sleeping at random truck stops while on the road. Because, yeah, so many people making so much noise at all hours of the night just sucked. But yeah, first thing on the agenda this morning for me is breakfast. I already fed the cats. They're doing fine. Being cats. But now I need to eat. And then we're going to hit the road for 4 more hours. And we're heading towards Ozark National Forest. Ozark National Forest. That's where we're headed. I will see you guys on the road. I need to eat breakfast. I'm still half asleep, half awake, half something else. I don't know. I just want to go back to sleep because I really didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. But yes, I will see you guys on the road. What is up? What is up? What is up? We have arrived. So we are at this lovely campground all the way in the Ozark National Forest. Right now I have power, I have water. I need to play with the power and the water. There is little to no cell reception out here at all. There is a lovely little lake or river, I don't know. There's something, and there's waterfalls in the area. I literally just got here and I've been driving around trying to figure out where I'm gonna set up for the night, and I'm finally set up. But now that I'm here, I'm gonna relax for a little bit. I might go for a short hike later, but I'm gonna call it for this video here and now, and I will see you guys in the next video. So moving forward, speaking of the next video, moving forward, my videos are gonna be a little more slow paced. When I was on the East Coast, I was like ripping and roaring through the national parks trying to get from point A to point B to point C as quickly as possible, because there wasn't a whole lot of free camping available. Now, granted, the site I'm at right now is not free. It's like 20 bucks for this, and that's totally fine. But yeah, now that I'm heading out west and we're hitting up the national parks out west, I want to actually enjoy being out here and take time to be lost out in the woods and everything else under the sun. So you might see multiple videos where all I'm doing is driving around, or they're just like short and sweet, quick update videos with very little like hiking and very little traveling around national parks. I might spend the majority of my time just out in the woods. But yeah, that's how things are gonna go moving forward, nice and slow. And yeah, I'm gonna take my time and actually enjoy being out in the woods for a while. But with that said, I will talk to you guys in the next video next week, and I'm gonna try to get this video out because right now I have very unreliable signal, which is no bueno since I'm a digital nomad and need reliable internet. But I shall figure it out. The goal is to stay here for a couple of days and actually enjoy this place versus coming and going, you know? I want to stay put for a while. So yeah, you guys might see me just in the woods with the bears. But I will see you guys in the next video. Please continue to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you're getting bored with the videos because I'm always in the woods, let me know, you know, and I'll like speed it up a little. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, y'all.